All right, guys. This is me again, Emmett Stallworth, the Alpha Builder, guys, and I'm here on site. We about to get this bad boy going here. This is what happens when you get ready to dig. So you kind of see right here. So, guys, I got the oh man, I gotta get this right here fixed, guys. So I got right here. This is my laser level, and I really don't need it. I really don't need it because what we're gonna do is we're gonna have 10-foot basement walls. So we're gonna go up the hill enough to get a 10-foot cut. So it doesn't matter how high we are from the road. It may be 2 feet, 3 feet. So what I was gonna do with this laser level, just to make sure that I shoot grade, to make sure I'm at least 2 feet higher than this curve right here. Because what you wanna do on the basement, you wanna get all the water on the curve. So this is what we got here, guys. We're gonna kind of go here. And so we got Mike over here. Mike does the, he's gonna be tearing down trees and stuff. And he's getting the weed eater, not the weed eater, but what's that, chainsaw. Yeah, man, I got a chainsaw. I cannot get my chainsaw to cut right.
What kind is
I got a Echo.
Echo pretty good? That's what that is.
Yeah, but it gets dull. Seems like it gets dull, man. I put a whole nother.
Yeah, get dull. You see, I got 4 or 5 extra chains.
Oh, so you change the chain yourself?
That's what I'm doing now.
Oh, okay. How long can you get going on one chain?
I can cut on it a week or 2, as long as I keep it out the dirt.
Okay.
If you let it get down
Week or
in
2.
that dirt or hit a rock or something, you can take it off right then.
Okay. Oh
Yeah.
man.
Yeah,
Okay.
You got to make sure you don't hit no rock. You put it in that dirt. When
That's
you
right.
put it in that dirt,
You dulled it up.
right. I mean, immediately you can take it off. Yeah.
So they're gonna be sawing these trees up, and this right here is what you call what they call this, a low boy. This is what you bring that big excavator in on, and so it won't take them no time to clear this stuff out, man. I tell you what, if you want to make some money, you want to do well, learn how to drive this big machinery. So we already got a game plan, guys. We got a game plan, and he's out here doing his thing. So we already got our game plan together. He knows where to be at. He knows where my turnaround and all that kind of stuff is going to be. He kind of got it, he understands everything that we kind of went over. And this place is going to look totally different in one day. So there's a lot of little stuff going on here. And I'm just gonna come back. Look at that, man. He's taking them big boys down, man. I tell you what. That thing right there is a bad machine there, buddy. He'll have this thing cleared out in about a day or 2. And then we'll start cutting. But we got to get rid of some dirt, guys. So I've already got one guy to get some dirt, but I need to get rid of some more dirt, which I'm looking right over here, right across the street. This is good. Maybe I can talk to the developer or whoever owns this lot right here, and they may want a couple because it's hard to build right here because the fall off is too quick. But you can get some dirt here and build this right here up. And so I'm gonna talk to the guy, if I can get them to take maybe a couple of loads of dirt instead of shipping it to Carrington Lake, maybe about 10 miles away. That'll save them on cause the other guy who want the dirt usually pay for truck time. So you don't want him to pay for too much truck time. So but if we could just haul it over here, that'll make it to where we can go ahead and finish up real quick. So I'm gonna work on that today, guys. What else I got going on here? That thing right there, man, I'll tell you what, if I just stand out here for about 30 minutes, you'll see a big difference. Oh, one more thing we got going on here, guys, is I got my, finally got my meter box over here. Electrician came out here and did his thing. So I'm gonna put my permit box and any kind of plans and stuff like that I need. I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. And that way I can bring some plans back over here for Ray, because he's gonna need that. Because what you wanna do, here's another thing. Guys, if you got a main level garage, most time you want to be at grade. I mean, you want to cut that out just like you cutting the basement out. But if you got enough undisturbed soil here, you don't have to cut all that out. That means you don't have to fill that big hole up because it's just garage space. So he needs to plan so he can see what that main level garage, so we can cut around that garage, so we can see if we can save a little bit, which is what I do. All right, guys, about 2-3 hours of work here. We kind of got over, our machine died on us. I think he got a seal they got to get on it, so he'll finish this thing up Monday. But you can see where we didn't clear it out. We actually cleared out the space for the most part. Most of the house is gonna go. So that's where we got all that. So I guess we'll cut out a day early. This is something else, guys, that I went and did this right here. Guys, this right here, I did the main level, the foundation level, and the main level. I just went on ahead and laminated this right here. And I'm gonna give this to my subcontractors because, you know, especially when you get your concrete guys and all those guys, your footings and stuff, they're gonna mess these things up. So let's see if they can mess them up when I laminate them. Okay? So this is what we look like, guys. I think we done ran all the snakes off. I'm gonna go up here. This is some good soil right here, man. I tell you what, man. We're not gonna hit any rock on this right here. This guy that did this right here, done probably those other houses in here as well, and he hadn't hit any rock here. So that's the only thing I'd be concerned about, man. I'm kind of squeamish now when it comes down to rock, but geez, got these big boys down here. See all this area right here, we can clear it out. I tell you a lot of people want to know how they get these trees down, especially these big old trees like that big boy right there. What they do, you can see what he was doing. So what he do, see this big old tree right here, and you can see where he's starting right here. What he do is he dig down where the root system is. He dig with that machine, then he grab it and push it on over. Push it on over, man. It fall on down. So we're gonna have a lot of dirt here. So he grabbed the claws, he grabbed it and push it down, but he got to first, you got to dig down right by the root of the tree. You guys, I'm starting to feel some kind of way killing these trees, man. I sure hate it, but hey, man, it is what it is. So we do have a little dirt pile over here. Oops, a little thing coming off. We have a little dirt pile right here, but guys, this right here is a couple of hours right here. Just a couple of hours of work. What? 2 hours at the most, 2-3 hours maybe. Geez, that machine right here can do what it do. That's why I say, guys, if you guys want to make some money, man, learn how to these big boys right here, man. Learn how to use these big boys right here. Learn how to drive. I mean, it takes years of working on one of these big boys right here, man. These things probably cost about $175,000 to $200,000. Now you got to keep them running. If they ain't moving, they ain't making you money. You got to pay interest on this thing, man. It eats you up. But these are ways, man. You guys can get a group of friends, man, that y'all pull y'all money together and y'all do this right here. If I had time, I would probably figure out a way to do some of this stuff. It's a big white oak right there, man. You see that big white oak right there? Jeez. So this is what we got here, man. This thing is, we're coming right along, man. And we gotta have this thing dug out in about 3 days. We gotta haul some dirt off. So probably next week we'll be finished with it. We'll be finished with what we need. Got our pile of trees right here. Hopefully I can keep my silk fence intact, which typically, guys, never happens. I always have to call the silk fence guy back out. And guys, at the end of the day, it is what it is, and this is the way. All right.